Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard and clicking on microphone icon at the top right corner of it to start typing. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now access voice typing in keyboard settings and tap on gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finish, go back to your keyboard and tap on now visible microphone icon. If you never used this option before, select while using the app in the pop-up. After Speak Now command, start talking. When you finished, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!